Sava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making ginger snap cookies. Before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we are in September now, so I thought what better snack to make than ginger snap cookies. Now, are these going to be the healthiest cookies out there? No. We have our butter, we have dark brown sugar, we have molasses, we have honey, we have some good stuff going on here, but who eats healthy all of the time? So these are going to be super good, really nice and gooey on the inside and crunchy on the outside. And what's different about this recipe is we're going to be putting it all into a food processor, so no like hand mixing and stuff like that going on. We're just going to let the machine do its job. So all you're going to have is your dark brown sugar, like I had said, your flour, some fresh ginger, ground up of course, your cinnamon, your baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, some butter. You're just going to make sure this is softened a little bit, and it'll be easier if you kind of slice them into little pieces like this, just because we're going to be blending everything into the blender. And then your molasses and your honey. So right now, we're going to be adding all of our dry ingredients together into the food processor. So we're going to start off with our flour, then our dark brown sugar, baking powder, soda, salt, cinnamon, and our ginger. So we're just going to blend this up a little bit just until it's nice and well combined, and then we're going to go ahead and add our butter. Alright, so you guys should have something that looks like this, kind of just looks like whole wheat flour at this point. And now what you're going to do is go ahead and add in your butter. Now you're going to see it's going to get kind of a little bit clumpy, but that is what you want. Try and add this evenly throughout as best as I can. Okay, so you see how this is getting kind of clumpy here? And over here it's kind of turning into a little dough, like that's what you want. And then your last step is going to be to just drizzle in your molasses and honey mixture. So that's what we're going to do here. And I'm just going to turn this down to low and start mixing. So I haven't added it all yet, but you can see the dough forming. It's kind of all on like that one little side. Okay, you can go ahead and turn it up to that medium speed to get that dough forming nice. And look at that, you didn't have to use one hand mixer or whisk or anything, and you have your dough. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab our cookie sheets, and then we're just gonna literally be using one of these bad boys, and that's it. Okay, so you may need to use more than one cookie sheet here, but the little trick that I like to do is just to spray whatever tool it is that I'm using to measure out my cookies, just to make it easier to get out. Sometimes this little handle like gets stuck. So all you're going to do is measure out your cookies just like this, and you want to make sure that they're about 4 inches apart from the pan because they are going to be separating. We are going to be flattening them out a bit. Okay, and then just either with your hands or with a spatula, whatever you want to use, you're just going to want to flatten these out a little bit. Okay, so I got 12 cookies with 2 scoops each. I'm just going to flatten these out. And then you're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for just about 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check on our cookies. How good do those look? They're just golden brown right on the outside. I think the double scoop definitely worked out better here for sure. I like them a little bit bigger. So we're just gonna go ahead and let these cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and try some. Okay guys, so we're all done and out of the oven. How good do these look? If this doesn't say fall, I don't know what does. But it's time to try one. So they're super, like they're nice and crunchy on the outside, but really nice and soft on the inside. Let's do a little split test. These are so good, you guys. They're so sweet and cinnamony, and you have that little hint of the ginger. So good. I love how soft they are on the inside and how crunchy they are on the outside. Look how squishy. This is my kind of cookie, but let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you like this cookie better, if you like the oatmeal raisin cookies that I made last week, or if you liked the blueberry cookies that I just made. I will make sure to link them up right here and let me know what you guys think. I love this. Anything with cinnamon, as you guys know, love it. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another of my videos. And share this video with anybody who's excited for fall. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.